In your golden hour. Oh my goodness. All the love of my life. Let me get mod. Alright, but I got you, bro. You're welcome, you're welcome, my NGA. Hold on, give me 1 second, and then we can talk about what we're looking at today in the market. It's my golden hour. Alright, let's get started. The price is gonna lower. I believe I'll show you guys what I'm looking at, and really quick. Alright, who's ready? What's your bias Q? Alright, this is what I'm looking at today going into the day, right? Alright, going into the day, we're kind of consolidating, believe it or not, right? Even though we have these big displacement moves, we are consolidating on the higher time frame. That's what I truly believe. But I believe that we go lower. We do have an inversion fair value gap. Usually once we have an inversion fair value gap, we'll target or seek the nearest low, right? And we're in an inversion fair value gap. As you can tell, we just kind of CRT'd this 4-hour high, dropped down to 15-minute, and we kind of just displaced lower. So I theoretically would like to see price go lower today, right? We have accumulation. Or this is my X. X, A. Okay, this is perfect. We have X, A, M inside of this inversion for a value gap. X, A, M. M. And then I'm looking, this whole down move is manipulation. So I want to see price either take out this low and then potentially go higher. So I'm bullish going into the day. Hi, D. Augustin. What's up, brother? Oh, the huzz are texting me, bro.
I erased where the limits were at. How do I put that back on? I erased where the limits were at.
You're... The blind leading the blind. I think to enter.
Like to place buys and sells, like nothing's there on the side no more. I removed it. The chart thing, like the execution box.
Oh.
Place buys and sells.
Alright, there should be like a little button, like a plus button here and it should say add components, and then once you do add components, you can click on like order and positions and all that stuff. And there should be like a little button, like a the blind leading the blind. The blind. All right, but I'm looking for longs, low key. I want to see either price manipulate down to this low, or we do have a nice little rejection block down here. We do have a nice little rejection block paired with this low and the consequent encroachment of this, right? So we'll see what happens. Bro, this is manipulation, bro. Market open and it just dumps, right? This is X, A, M. What up? Yo, what up, chat?
Yo. It's not like you click it.
Wait, what?
Oh my fucking days.
Hey, refresh your page. There should be like a... Alright, go to the very top right.
How the fuck I get out of this shit now?
Click the X. Okay, go to the very top right. Then there should be like a little the reset button. It should be like a little arrow. Yeah, right there. Yeah. Next one. Yeah. There we go. Alright, no worries. Alright, be safe, okay?
Alright, yeah, I'm looking more for sells now.
Oh, I'm looking for longs, but
No, I was looking for both, but I'm waiting.
Alright, I got you. Yeah.
We inversed the fair value gap. Well, not yet, but...
Right. No, I got you. Hey, just let me know what you take, alright?
Yeah, I will. Patience
Alright.
right now.
Right, fair enough. Alright, I'll see you in a bit. Sorry. The husband calling, you know what I mean? I thought it was AMD. What's X? X is basically so sometimes we'll have like an expansion move, right? Instead of like accumulation, we'll have like an expansion first and then A. You know what I mean? It's not always going to be AMD. There's sometimes it will expand instead of accumulate, right? So what I like to do is I like to separate the candles, if that makes sense. Hold up, I'll show you guys. So at 6 o'clock is when New York session opens, right? So I like to separate the 4-hour candle technically, right? So the first stage for me was X, and the reason why that was because we ended up tapping inside of a inversion fair value gap, right? Once we tap this inversion fair value gap during the first stage that is supposed to be accumulation, we decided to tap the higher time frame PD array, and then the second stage accumulated, right? Accumulated, and then the next stage, the micro stage, manipulate, and then manipulation high, and then the low, right? So I want to see price tap down into a higher time frame PD array for us to go higher. Bro, sorry. Okay, if you give me 2 apex okay, if you wait, did you give your girl a free fun? Fuck no. She gotta give me the head first, bro. Bro, nah. She gotta give me E head, bro. I need the E head. If you give me 2 apex codes, I will copy an account right now, deadass. No, she's taking signals from Q. Did you see her account? Bro, no, bro. Trust. Q, give me 2 of the apex codes and I'll get, again, Alpha Futures account. Perhaps I could do that. I could do that, chat. Krish, bro, Harry ain't for us, bro. Give up, please, bro. Give up, bro. Krish, send me signals, bro. Little buster. For the love of my life. Did you win your shirt? No, I ended up taking the L. But we do have a nice little rejection block here. You know, we might not even trade today, to be honest. This shit kind of looks like booty. Yes or no? I'll have to think about it. I have to think about it, chat. Let's see. You funded? I am funded. I'm on a funded account and I'm on an eval. I have evals and a funded. Alright, let's see what happens though. Join Aidionomics mentorship. What's so special about Aidionomics mentorship? I don't get it. I'm looking for longs until this low. I'm looking. Once we take out this low, I'll be looking for longs. But this is more than likely the draw on liquidity for me. Right, acute X A M. Damn. I've never seen it. Bro, what? Like, I might have to. I might have to like run it. What do you guys think, bro? Oh wait, wrong thing. I'm gonna have to run it back. If this can. Wait, bro. Why is it so blurry? I'm gonna have to run it again, bro. Like, I might have to run it again. Oh, brother. Oh, brother. Oh, brother. I've never seen an Asian girl that pretty, honestly. The thing is, like, I feel like I got it. I think it's like I got it. You know what I mean? Like, I think it's just experience with live markets is all. TBH. I mean, your cousin, bro. She's not my cousin, bro. She's not my cousin. Like, I don't think you guys understand. Like, I got a game. I got a game, chat. Alright, let's lock in. Alright, like I said, I'm anticipating this to be manipulation. We could look for shorts to target this low. But, right now, I'd rather just wait. This is the draw on liquidity right now. And then I want to see price react. I want to see price go bullish from this low. Yeah, have a great day. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Thank you. Shine, it's your golden hour. Guys, what do you guys think about this girl? I kind of met this girl last night. I don't know if she's like kind of big or not. I can't tell. Like, what do you guys think? Like, does she look big? Does she look big? Like, she look mid? Bro, she look like got a... I mean, I'll do it. I'll do it. I'll do it. Big or not, I'm hitting cut. Type shit. like she like is this considered big? I can't really tell, bro. I can't really tell, to be honest with you. Bro, watch. Bro. Just not tapped at in all. She's in your league for sure, gang. Bro, I'll like Q is liquidity, right? Liquidity means like I just got liquidity on me all the time. But we're chilling, right? I want to see this low get taken out. Once this low get taken out, right? XAMD should be distribution towards the upside. So we shall see that. But to be honest, we do have a 4-hour rejection block. A clean 4-hour rejection block here, which could act as a form of support, right? But I'm not just going to enter, right? This could look clean. 4-hour rejection block, 15-minute fair value gap. This could be a good level to long, right? Consequent correction with this fair value. This could be a good level to long, to be honest with you. Yo, can remember I'm the OG. Oh, engineer, bro. Of course I remember you, G. Of course. Engineer. Of course, bro. You're a G, bro. We're back. He's back. What are we thinking, bearish? I want to see lows. I want to see this low get taken out and then distribution towards the upside. Because I believe this whole down move is just a retracement. So we're very balanced as we were going down here, right? We're not really leaving fair value gaps. We're very balanced. Drop down to 15-minute. Zoom out a little bit. It just looks like a market maker buy model. Looks like a market maker buy model potentially just generated buy side liquidity. Now, if we just invert the scale, it looks like we're generating sell side liquidity, right? So to me, it looks very clean for buys, right? Generated buy side liquidity, market maker model. Right? We have a little this is sell side of the curve, buy side of the curve, right? Once we tap this low, I would like to see price reject this low and then go higher towards the upside. But we do have a 4-hour rejection block here paired with the 15-minute order block. But at the same time, I would like to see price go higher here. This area could look good for long short term. And then yeah, this is a nice little level to long, and it stops at this low. Plus the devil's mark. Damn, I should long here. And then like stops at 10 points or some shit. Like longs here look good. Like right here looks good. Rejection block. Bro, this looks really good. I'm not taking it. I can't take it. I can't take it. Don't take it. Don't take it. Don't take it, Q. Please. You got it. Okay, don't take it. Don't take it. It's not worth it. It's not worth the hype. It's not worth the fucking hype. It's not worth it. I wanna be next. Oh, the party was over and all time on earth. Nah, I wasn't gonna take that. Don't worry. I wanna. Thing is, like this right here, rejection block. Rejection block 4 hour, drop down to the 15-minute rejection block, order block, drop down to the lower time frame even more. 1 minute order block, which like it just lines up perfectly, right? 1 minute order block. Next to you. right next to you. Oh. No, I want to see longs here. Shorts could work out, but I want to see longs here. All right, my NGAs. When Ku wants longs or goes shorts, it's another conflict, bruv, come on. At least I'm helping you guys out, right? They call me. I am a philanthropist. I'm just a philanthropist, bruv. I have no idea what the fuck that means. I think an philanthropist promotes human welfare and being through charitable giving, time, money, or resources. Yes, I'm just a philanthropist. What, a philanthropist? Bro, all you doing is copy and pal, bro. Okay, and? Now what? I swear on God, I never lost when I counter Kutre. I always want OG. This fub is equivalent. Bro, yeah, I'm just a philanthropist, bro. So you have to stop taking soda. That will make you fit. Bro, I don't drink soda, bro. I don't think you guys understand. Like, if I do drink soda, bro, I only drink the zero sugar, which is like 0 calories. I don't think I need aidionomics mentorship, to be honest with you. To be honest. No offense. Bro, it is about that. It is about the calories. Yes, it's about organic foods too, but it's also about the calories, bro. It's just calories in, calories out. You feel me, G? Coming down to this daily fair value gap. Alright, we're typing this daily fair value gap. I'd rather just wait here. We're in a key level right now, right? Because like if you look at the higher time frame, all of this just looks like accumulation. Accumulation, manipulation to this daily fair value gap, swapped at the low S&T inside of a daily fair value gap. So now this looks good, right? Regardless, right? So now I'm kind of just waiting here. I'm not really thinking too much. You feel me, G? We just wait, right? I want to see like a 15-minute CRT. Take out the low and then go higher. Bro, I don't drink soda, guys. I don't drink soda, bro. I only drink like 0 sugar stuff. The only sugar I'll have is like honey. Like I put honey in my coffee. Oh, yeah. Like what right now what I'm trying to do is just only eat protein. Only eat protein and like no carbs. Or carbs a little bit, but just a lot more protein than I do carbs. Like, do I look like a Today's chest day. Chest day. Bro, I think I have gyno in like my other side of my chest, but no gyno on the other side, which is kind of throwing me off, bro. Like I have gyno on one side, but the other side doesn't have gyno. That's like a man's worst fear, to be honest with you. I already covered a little bit, just a little bit. That's all good. That's due to your imbalance in estrogen. Yeah, bro. I have too much estrogen, bro. Yeah, I know. Yes, I know, bro. Dude, I don't think you guys understand. Like, I used to be a gym influencer, bro. I used to not Wait, no, not that. I wasn't a gym influencer. I was a wannabe gym influencer, bro. Like I studied like like gyno, all this shit. Like I think I just lost myself when I started trading. I just lost myself. Yeah, but gyno, bro, you can't really cure gyno. Bro, I've never seen a gym before. Bro, stop, bro. Don't make me pull out the picture again, bro. Fuck. Like, bro, come on, man. Like, bro, come on. I was low-key kind of... I was a bit jacked. Like, bro, come on. Like, come on. Oh, wait. Wrong picture. Oh, wait, bro. The fuck? How do I go back? Like, bro. A bit jacked. Right? Drop down. We're at Alpha Land, you know what I mean? Like, bro. Like, go here. Let me see. Like, these are kind of cringe. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I had a sharper, bro. My jawline was super sharp. I think I've always had gyno though. I could just be fat. I don't know. I don't even know. Trading for a major. I'm not depressed, bro. I'm not depressed, bro. That pose was zesty. Type shit. The shorts were good. I just believe that we were bullish overall, right? We shall see, chat. I'm just gonna wait here. 10 o'clock's about to open up. I am cutting, bro. I'm only eating like straight up protein, bruv. I want to see the new 4-hour candle either come down, manipulate this low, and then go higher prices, like a 10 AM reversal here. But we'll see what happens. Drawn liquidity is higher, I believe, so. Alright, we just wait. I'm a heavy hitter like Javonte Davy. One minute reject. No, we need the 5-second rejection block, bro. 5-second rejection block. I mean, this rejection block is nice right here. Nice little rejection block. Yes, this is NQ. Oh. We have a minute left. So, new 4-hour candle is about to open up. We shall see what happens. Bum, 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 bum. I wanna take it slow. Alright, 27 seconds left. Alright. Let's see what happens. We're in the daily fair value gap. This fair value gap broke above the high too, so this is also nice. Okay, let's see what happens. Alright. I want to see the 15-minute candle come down, take out this low. and then for us to go higher. So this could be like a nice little CRT pattern here inside of a key level bullish manipulation. All right, I want to see price manipulate lower, and plus we kind of have a devil's mark up here also, which is a nice little draw, and like a nice little devil's mark here also, right? I want to see price manipulate lower and then potentially go higher here. Come on, chat. Oh, my tears on another love, another love. Oh, my tears, I'll be in. I might take the rejection block from here too. If price does come back lower to this area. If price comes back down to this area here, I'll look for longs. But it looks like we're kind of rejecting off of here right now. If we can get like a bullish close above an order block, I'll go ahead and take that as I'll try to take that as my entry. Unless we come down to this area of rejection. Oh, I'm on the wrong account. I'm on the wrong areas. 83. I'll have like a buy limit here at this rejection block, and it stops at this low. But right now, I wouldn't be mad about taking longs here, anyways. Now, if we can create like a bullish gap or something, I'll go ahead and take that. But I'll have this limit order sitting here. 83.25. $65.25. Hold on, give me a second. I have a limit down here. Just setting up from the other account, but let's see what happens. All right, let's see what happens. Waiting for reverse. Yes, I want to see reversal here. Either price can come down, tap this here, and then for us to go higher. I have a limit order on my other accounts too. I have I'm on 3 cons on my on my funded and like 5 on my market is very volatile right now. We are in. Thing is, this is the manipulation. So it's like, bro, this is the manipulation. So it's kind of hard to draw the standard deviations. Bro, we're already max, so. I will never fall in love again until I did not catch the short. Thank you for the rose, and thank you for the heart me, and thank you for the love you so much. Thank you guys. Ethan, real and Q. I'm the real and Q. You just said crazy dump manipulation. If this is the crazy dump manipulation, then we should start to see higher prices. Perhaps. Georgia. Alright, bro. Alright, let's put in some fucking Juice WRLD, but I'm done. Alright, bro. I think I might take this long. If we create a fair value gap here. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. We're right over here. Key 4-point news on alpha. I think you just have to enter like 2 minutes before the news happens. But if you enter like before 2 minutes before news drops, then I think they'll like flag your account or some shit. Let's see what happens here. Let's see. Peace over right over here. Bro, I think I might download Fortnite again, bro. I'm kind of... Fortnite. Bro, stop. Don't tell me you're in longs, because I want a long too. But I play Valorant though, bro. Fuck. To be honest, I've been playing a lot of Wizard 101, to be honest with you. I've been on the grind. Different balance in here. We do have we'll have a rejection block here. Right? Rejection block here. After tapping, after zooming out this low. Rejection blocks are only valid if we get like a 1 minute, like a 15-minute rejection block. Rejection blocks are only valid if we get like structural shifts, right? So we might get a structural shift. We have an order block here. I don't know. I'll have another long, like, let me see, where's OTE at? Let's see what happens here. Longs, trust longs, bro. Bro, how am I trying to scam people, bro? No, I want to see retracement back down. I know we're bullish. 1030 is supposed to be like with the 1030 is supposed to be distribution anyways, so either we wait for price to come back to these to this area, or we just come back down. Perhaps I am profitable. Wait, how'd you long your standard deviation, bro? Like, I just drew from like here, and like obviously it didn't work out. Even if I drew it this low, it just still didn't work out. I did not enter already. What's your win rate strat? Bro, honestly I don't even know. But I have a feeling. I have an insight. It's like 60%, 60. If price can come back down to this rejection block, I'll go ahead and take it, honestly. But that's what I get. But that's what I get. And I can't commit. I guess that's what I get. Does it for my breaking little heart? Are you happy? Break. Only entering off. I can enter off the 15-minute rejection block or like a minute order block. Go on the 15-minute and mark out the manipulation on the SFT from the noon yesterday. Oh, you drew from like yesterday's. I never meant to make you fall, but that's what I get. You drew from yesterday's. I usually just draw mine from like today's session, but I guess that makes sense. This is the Nasdaq. This isn't a currency. It's Nasdaq. Damn, bro. I guess that's what I get. I'd rather just wait. We should run through these gaps anyways. Losing part of me. I want to see longs. I want to see price retrace back down. We have a low, high, lower, low. We do have a breaker here. Now, we do have a breaker here, right? Price comes back down to this breaker. I'll take like consequent encroachment of this breaker. Or try to look for OT, or try to look for discount premium, which is kind of perfectly matched right here. So I'll probably like enter like 5 micros here. At consequent encroachment of this breaker. And then I'll just have my stops at this low. What can I have? Okay, yeah. I'll see once I get filled here. Let's see what happens here. Kind of asking for a lot here, but we have a low, high. We have a breaker here. Thing is, like, breakers, bro, breakers are like they can either bounce off quickly, or we could like retrace back down and then go higher. Running out of reasons, but we can't let go. Yeah, Hollywood is bleeding, but we can't let go. See what happens here. Hello, AJ Furry. Yeah, so I'm saying, like, breakers can either bounce as soon as possible, like this right now, or we could potentially like retrace back down to consequent encroachment, or sometimes we'll even fill the whole range and then go higher. So it's like, bro, like, I don't know. I'm just kind of wanting to enter in a premium or in a discount. Have you already entering on long? No, I haven't entered yet. It's just the range right now. Price is gonna come back down to this area for sure. I trade futures. Never found you, running out of reasons, but we can't let go. Yeah, Hollywood is bleeding, but we can't let go. Let's see what happens here. Bro, 5 micros is a lot, especially if, bro, this is, I'll be risking like over 40 points. That's a lot. You're quite handsome. Thank you, thank you, thank you, bro. Yes, yeah, we're kind of types. Thing is, this breaker is fucking huge, bro. I'ma drown in the liquor again. Like maybe like I should just note that we have a like a 2 minute like a. Maybe I could note that we have a 3 minute breaker. Or a 2 minute breaker, and we kind of just tap it and then dump, or tap it and pump. This could be my limit next time, just like tape reading this. This could be the entry, and it stops at this fair value gap below, right? Because we'll have 2 overlapping PD arrays, and we should respect it. Like next for next time, obviously. I'm not just gonna enter now. I'm down in the rain. I'ma drown in the rain. I'ma drown in the liquor again. I'ma drown in a pool full of sins. Yes, I am waiting. I'm waiting for this price to come down to equilibrium. I'ma drown in the liquor again. Hold up. Guys, this girl wants to backtest with me, bro. I think I'm gonna help her. I think I'm gonna stream like backtesting with her, bro. So like, so you guys can see how good of a teacher I am. How good of a teacher I am, right? You know what I mean? Don't want me lonely no more. Or... Just blow her back out, bro. I would, bro. I mean, she's like a holy girl, bro. Which is, there's nothing wrong with that. Obviously, there's nothing wrong with that. Like I would prefer that than like a girl to like I would prefer that. She pick me up when I'm feeling low. We have a 3 minute breaker. I think I might take a stab here. And like the stab at this 3 minute breaker. Or I'm just gonna take a stab at this unicorn setup right here, actually. We have an overlapping PD array. I'll put my stops like at this. Oh. I'll put my stops at this 3 minute. And then my stop loss is will be at this like fair value gap low. I'm going longs here. We'll have a breaker, a 3-minute fair value gap, higher time from bullish order flow. Let's see what happens here. We have a breaker here, a 3-minute fair value gap here. We'll see how this plays out. If we can come back down to this fair value gap. The thing is, we don't have to. We could enter here right now. It stops at the slow. That's kind of my risk would be kind of fucking wide. Oh, but we'll have a 5-minute gap here also. Alright, actually, I'll see how this reacts here. See what happens here. Like I said, this breaker could just hold. This 3-minute breaker could just hold, and then like us to go higher. Yeah, no, I marked out the 5-minute fair value gap right here, bro. Bro, fucking hate it, bro. Buddy, like, bro, fucking crash out, bro. Perhaps I can't. What is the time zone for gold? Like what's the time for gold? Like when is it the most volatile? I'm not sure. What the fuck is uni trades? I don't know if it's because my heart hurts or if I'm insecure. Baby, you're not her. Fucked up, it was a blacked out blur. Baby, you jump first. Bro, how do we know how? I just edged my fucking entry, bruv. You can kill me if I kill you first. I've been through the ringer. Ring on her finger. She loves drama, she be watching Jerry Springer. Jerry Springer. I don't love her, I'm not a teacher. Need a leader. A keeper. Take it to the cleaner. Love don't ain't good for me, no good for me. She's good for me. Love playing with me, heartbreaking me. Don't pray for me, just give me. Just bring me drugs. Just bring me drugs. Let's see how this plays out. I'm not sure. I don't know if it's because my heart hurts or if I'm insecure. Baby, you're not her. So this girl had me so fucked up, I was a blacked out blur. Baby, you jump first. I dare everyone to short right now. I dare everyone to short right now. Short! Someone's short, bro. Someone just short. I dare you to short right now. Need to get away. I think I need umbrella because every day feel like a rainy day. Oh no, because I want to see higher prices. Like we should be chilling from here. Feel corner, starting to feel corner, starting to door, starting to feel corner, starting to feel slaughter. Oh, why bother my ex bitch too bad? My next bitch way harder. We met in a car crash. We're running the full throttle. Oh, are we cooked here? Nah, we're chilling. Bro, it's just the fucking retreat. I'll be fine, bro. I'll be fine. I'll be fine. Like, realistically, I want my stops here. And then, like, the conclusion, you can kill me if I kill you first. I've been through the ringer. She love drama. She be watching Jerry Springer. Oh, okay. I'll take is what I'm looking at. All right, this is what I was looking at. Okay, so basically, I couldn't get. I was like, okay, look, I'll probably get filled here, hopefully, maybe. But when I saw this 5-minute fair value gap, I'm like, okay, look, we could just see the flow state model here, right? 5-minute, a 5-minute fair value gap, drop down to 15-second. We had a 15-second CISD, 15-second CISD, and an inversion fair value gap, right? And SMT at the lows. So it looks clean right now. It looks clean right now for me, right? But my stops is at this low just in case we do come back down, resweep at this low, and then 3-minute fair value gap, right? And if you look here, 5-minute rejection block, a 5-minute rejection block here, drop down to the lower time frames, we have a CISD here. So this 5-minute rejection block could hold nicely, right? It could hold, but we shall see what happens. Now, if we start to see displacement up, then yeah, of course, I'll end up like moving my stops to this low or like higher prices, right? So we'll see what happens here. Too real. I'm looking at the higher time frame too, guys. Look, like we'll potentially have a 3-minute. Okay, so we get tagged at this 3-minute. You would have gone tagged at this 3-minute fair value gap. Now, if we can potentially get this like a 1-minute inversion, this would be like a little bit nicer. So we see what happens, bro. Like, no, I'm talking about like higher time frame wise, right, bro? Look, listen, we're in a daily fair value gap. Standard deviation is projecting price to come down to this area. CRT this low, with SMT too. So I'm anticipating this to be a protected low, right? No visine, crashed a Mustang. Yeah, I love it. And my stop loss is at this 3-minute, so we have a 3-minute fair value gap here, right? With overlapped with a breaker fair value gap, right? Bro, I'm so confident I can add another position here if I wanted to. All right, I'll add another position here. Okay, add another position here. All right, because I'm anticipating this area to hold, right? Now, don't feel right. Alien with me, pot with me. Like I added another. No, the thing is, like, yes, you guys might say, "Oh, I wasn't patient," but guess what? We don't always have to come down here, right? I saw what the market gave me and I just took it. You know what I mean? Because this entry here wasn't like, it wasn't guaranteed. Right? So now, if we can get this inversion, now if we just put if we just put like a magnet, like you said, what the fuck's the magnet? I don't know where the magnet is. Oh, we're cooked. Oh, there he is. How do I move it? It's gonna come up here. Trust. This is a breaker fair value gap entry. Breaker fair value gap entry. Where the fuck's the gorilla? You can see the pain in my life. Demons coming back from the past. Feeling like I'm about to relapse. Voices in my head. Alright, we should be chilling. Honestly, I can let this run all day. 10:30? Listen. 10:30 is about to open up too. Bro, this is going to look so good. 10:30 is about to open up too. Oh, this is going to look good. I'll like this even more. Time is in play now. Now, if we can inverse this fair value gap, bro. If we inverse this fair value gap, bro, I'm adding. If we inverse this fair value gap, bro, I'm fucking adding. I'm adding, bro. If we can inverse this fair value gap. And then put my stops to this low. Bro, if we inverse this gap, I'm adding. If we inverse this gap, I'm adding. If we inverse this 1 minute, I'm adding. If we inverse this fair value gap, I'm adding. All right, I'm gonna trail my stop up. Oh, okay. Actually, just actually put my stops at the slow. Told you, 10:30 is opening up, and we should be going. All right, since 10:30 did that, I'll go break even here. All right, just because 10:30 did not open low, we ended up just pushing up higher. Yeah, unfortunate. I'm not adding for this position right now. I'd rather just wait. This fair value gap broke above the high. All right, it's time to put it on the clip. It's time to put it on the YouTube. Pull up the phone. Pull up the phone. All right, I'm selling through position here. All right, I'm going to sell 2 positions here. All right, 1 contract left in here. You know, I had to put it. All right, bro. How the fuck is that emotions, bro? Listen. I'm holding like one position. I'm holding like a small little position here. All right, don't worry. I got you guys. Got you guys. Bro. I just want to like build good trading habits, bro. Bro, 150 is a lot. Bro, stop. Can you stop? Can I just get a W, bro? Can I just get a fucking W? Bro, I'm not even worried. Like, I took a W, whatever, right? Can I just get like a W, please? Can I just get a W? Please, I want to trade. Please, just give me a W, bro. Thank you. Fuck. Thank you. Bro, I do not want to see L's. Thank you. W's. Thank you, guys. I'll let this run. Oh, the cherries. Come on, bless with me. Hey, you picked that knife and then you stabbed me. Was it paper cut? To me. The reason why my take profit is up here is because go on the 15-minute time chart. We kind of have a devil's mark up here, so that's like my entry, or that's my target. Most beautiful things. Kind of have it does exactly. That's what I'm saying. That's like my target. Baby, come over, bless with me. There's the difference. Let me see.
I know, bro, but you're not listening. It wasn't just a 15-minute. It was like there was a 1 hour bearish for value gap that swept highs. So, if anything, we seemed more bearish.
Perhaps you're correct.
There's the different. There's.
She's teaching. Yeah, sure. She's teaching me how to trade, bro. She's actually my mentor, bro. What is the devil's mark? A devil's mark is basically if each candle, if each candle has an open, low, high, close, right? If each let me see. If each candle has an open, high, low, close, or a, let me see. Where the fuck is the brush? Or if each candle has an open, low, high, close, right? There should be a manipulation, right? So each candle has to have manipulation, right? Like, for example, right here, it's not really much manipulation, right? So I could anticipate price to come back down to this area one more time before going higher, right? But I kind of like this area, right? I want to see price keep going higher, to be honest with you. I don't want to see price come back down any lower until this area. A devil's mark whenever there's no manipulation. I thought that I told you I don't want to get close. I haven't been the same. You should let it run. Your 6 con, you was break even. You could have made back your losses, bro. I could have, bro, but I'm trading while I was watching. We're in the exact same trade, and I wasn't watching the stream. Probably made it time for me to get out, laughing my ass off, bro. That's crazy. If actually have call small wick candles, perhaps. Yeah, you're right. If this is distribution, we should be. Listen, if this is distribution, each fair value gap should get respected, right? Each fair value gap should just get respected, and we should just see higher prices. If we're in distribution phase of quarterly theory, we should just see higher prices. What is a breaker for value gap? A breaker for value gap is a unicorn, right? So let's say, for example, like my entry was supposed to be down here, but I went a little bit early, which is fine. I'm not mad about that, because I saw what I saw, right? So let's see what happens. So a breaker for value gap, it is basically, right? So we're coming down. This is a breaker, right? A low, high, lower low, higher high that breaks above the breaker high. And then now this right here is your breaker. Like somewhere here, right? Should be your breaker, a breaker, and then there should be a fair value gap nested inside of this breaker fair value gap, right? So for example, right here, we have a low, we have a high, we have a lower low, and a higher high. We break above the breaker high here with this body, right? Price comes back down, and look at that. Inside this breaker, we have a fair value gap nested inside, right? And drop down to 5, we have a 5-minute bullish fair value gap here also. And that was like kind of where the entry was. Yes, the thing is, we don't come back down to discount or whatever, right? But if all these concepts align up, then just take it. You know what I mean? Oh wow, this candle was fucking gnarly, bro. If I'm not gonna lie. These fair value gaps should hold. Now, if we can get a candle closure above here, I'll go ahead and move my stops down to this low, or stops up to that low. My entry price was 171. I didn't take a signal, bro. Oh, no. Remember a worse, you wouldn't break even on your trade? Perhaps. Thing is, break even is not a bad thing. I mean, type shit. Alright, if we can get a candle closure above this high, I'll put my stops at the slow. Bro, you can do whatever you want, Santo. I just don't recommend it. I can sleep because there's a war zone in my head. With the bread. See what happens here. We're kind of just letting it play out, to be honest with you. I got PTSD. Raindrops. Park 1. Ain't got. Stop. I might add more on my funded, to be honest with you. Where's CP? TP is basically at this 15-minute wick high up here. This Devil's Mark area. Do you have YouTube? Yes, I have YouTube. It's called Ku's Liquidity. It's the same thing as my my Twitch and my everything. We get a reversal. That's why we didn't get the deep retracement to the discount 10 a.m. 10:30 was expansion candle, so therefore we need to create a wick though. Perhaps that's the kind of like I could learn that more often. That could, yeah. If it's distribution area, bro, then we should just keep riding up. Next time, try letting your cons run, especially after you mental healed when you was down. Fair enough, yeah. You better take full profit. It's about to fall. Nah, I go break even. It can't fall on me if I go break even. I think it's my PTSD. I think it's my PTSD. I think it's my PTSD. Yeah. Yes, sir. JR. Express accounts are locked in profit for today. That's why I'm watching other trade. Focus on your key. Don't call out. Take out each. Right, that's a lot. Wait, is this the JR that I know? Wait, no, it's not. It's not. I just quickly scalped this trade, just trying to pass one of the combines. Great trade. Yeah, I know. Passing combines for the first time is definitely hard, to be honest with you. But once you do it after a little bit, it gets really easy. But yes, I'm still on a. I have a combine and I have an eval, right? My eval. I have an eval of the same. I have an eval and like a funded account, right? And I'm kind of just taking it slow on my funded account, but I want to go a little bit heavier next time. But yeah, thank you. Yes, my stop's at break even here. Have you gotten payout yet? No. Have you passed a fund yet? Yes, I have. You profitable yet? Not yet. I'm Asian, I can't see. Perhaps. Your YouTube is Q's liquidity, not Q's liquidity, so you can't even search it out when you type it. Oh, for real? Oh, I have to change it, bro. No way I spelled liquidity wrong. There's just no way. No way I spelled liquidity wrong. Oh my god, I spelled it wrong. Okay, I'll have to change it. Why are you trading 3 micros and 100k? The reason why was because my stop loss was like 36 points, which is a lot. Do you think fair value gaps and supply and demand zones are the same? Supply and demand, they're like order blocks for ICT traders. A fair value gap is a bit different from supply and demand. But like, for example, how they draw their supply and demand zones is like from here, right? I'm pretty sure. I'm not. Let me get rid of this. I'm not sure. It's like this or something like that. But this is considered an order block for us ICT traders. Oh yeah, move myself here. But no, they're different. All right, I move my stops to this order block here. We tap the fair value gaps here. Respected. This is a nice little rejection block now, right? I want to see this area get respected, and then for price to reject off this order block, and then we have a fair value gap nested inside also. So this looks decent. Like I said, my target's all the way up here. Oh, let me get rid of this order, bro. I can't have that again, bro. I really cannot have that again. I'm not trying to come back and see it that I'm down. Okay, we're good. Okay, we're good. All right, we're good. All right, we're chilling. All right, just let this run now. Hopefully, I can right TP. Just like cancel orders before you leave. Perhaps. You'll be profitable when you manage your risk properly. You already have a profitable strat. Exactly. No, thing is, like, I know my strategy is profitable. It's just like, perhaps I just need better, like, of knowing when to entry and finding, because like, there's so many entry models that you can entry off of, but like, I want to be lucrative with all of them. I want to be lucrative with all of them. Just in case one doesn't hit, the other one does, you know? I need to increase my size, that's for sure, yeah. Masters, so one stick to one. Thing is that I'm like, I want to be lucrative is all. Maybe it's just, I don't know if it's like a me thing, because like sometimes we won't always get like the entry model that I want, you know what I mean? Just slap the flatten button a few times. Fuck. Just another funeral for her. Goddamn. Wasted cocaine in my basement. I'm a doctor, but I'm running out of patience. Let's see what happens here. I think I might just end stream here and let it run. That's a bomb bitch that you're chasing. Hey. Get trusted. Yeah, thank you, thank you. We'll see what happens here. I might get stopped out. But realistically, I want to see like a... I want to see this rejection block get held. I want to see this rejection block get respected here. We have SMT at these lows, so that's good. If we can create like a fair value gap here and inverse it, it would look nice. Type of change. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm glad I was able to catch a dub at least. I don't know. As soon as 10:30 opened up, bro, I'm like, oh, this is gonna look good, bro, because 10:30 was supposed to be the distribution area anyways, bro. Perhaps I did enter all the 15-second time frame though. I'm not gonna lie. I ended up entering like at this area right here. This change of state of delivery with this inversion for value gap. All right, we don't have a fair value gap here, or we have a we might have a 2-minute FVG here, but it looks like we might get stopped at a break even, or a little bit in profits, but. See. Rage Baiter bot. He needs to learn order flow and stop drawing fair value gaps everywhere. But he doesn't care about becoming a predator trader. He just wants the money at this point. Bro, what are you talking about, bro? I've been on, like, baby, I've been on a run. But I won't ever run from your love. Like, trust, bro. I've been on a journey, bro. Ring. Oh, we tapped a 3-minute fair value gap. I didn't see that. Looks like we tapped a 3-minute FVG. Started to see displacement up. Drop down to the 1. We get the broke structure, etc. This low should be fine, but we might get we might resweep just because this is like a small little tap. Now, if we can get a 3-minute inversion for value gap here, this would look even better. Or if we do create it. You've been trading for how many years? You're running from probably that's about it. Perhaps. You could be correct. We'll leave. I ain't gonna leave. Baby, I've been on the run, but I won't ever run from your love. Niggas are gone. Alright, we ended up not creating this fair value gap. Or we did. Ring. See if we can like inverse it or not. I am break even. Yeah, blood of my jeans. Very close to getting stopped out though. Maybe I've been on a run, but I won't ever run from your love. 193. I am not profitable yet. What profit? This is alpha ticks, alpha futures. What target for longs? My target is this 15-minute devil's mark up here. This is my target. Like, I might just let this run. I've been trading for about, it's either 2 or 3 years. I'm not even sure. I think 3 years. 3 years maybe. 2. I don't know. It's somewhere there. Like, I'm getting like videos on my Snapchat of like when I was starting trading. Okay, maybe it's 2 years. All I get just that I feel righteous. I know that truth is hard to digest. I'm a spells on my right head. Taking medicine to fix it all of the damage. Because I know I wasn't trading back then. I think it's been. I honestly, I don't even fucking know. After 2 years, you are not profitable and change every month. Take partials on 100k eval. Got it. Perhaps. but is it progress? Perhaps it is progress. I think I'm gonna stick with this strat for a while. Yo, you also trade your express. I did. Oh, beautiful motherfucking pump. All right, perfect. All right, this is good. All right. Like I did take it on the funded too, and evals. Bro, I was gonna stick it. Bro, I'm gonna stick to this strategy for another month and see how it works. You know. Alright, so I'm meant to deep. Can't swim like me. What's the strategy? Quarterly theory. I used quarterly theory. Quarterly theory, and then like CRT. My TP is all the way up here. We have a devil's mark up here, so I want to see this get taken out or refilled. We might get stopped out, low key. We just took out this high. All the good just I feel righteous. All the good. You need to learn a model, my Q. Perhaps. Or do I have one? Oh, I'm fucking with you. Anxiety the size of a planet. Are you in a buy? Yes, I am in a buy. Wait, can you guys see it or no? Oh, yes, you can barely see it. I'm in a buy position right now. We shall just see. Like I said, 10:30 to 12 should just distribute anyways. Any re-entries? I think is my take profit isn't guaranteed, right? No take profit is like guaranteed. So I kind of just I don't know. I wouldn't. I wouldn't. Kind of just chilling. This is my take profit. Let's see how this plays out. Yeah, this is quarterly theory. After this trade, if this trade hits break even or take profit, I'll give a trade recap. Thank you, Miguel, for the rat. It looks like, right? Thank you, and thank you, not Clay, for the GGs. Bro, I gotta start looks maxing, bro. No, I need to be more confident in my evals and my trades. I think it just takes like time and like I think it just takes time and experience with your strategy in the live markets. I top tick shorts due to quarterly theory as well. Yeah, and the thing is, like, you could do quarterly theory during each session if you wanted to, but I only like doing it on New York because it's more probable for me. What are you trading on? I'm trading on AlphaTix, the Alpha Futures platform. Bro, I need a haircut, bro. After this money that I make, I'm gonna go get a haircut, bro. Bro, if I can get like a low taper fade or like a buzz cut, bro. Oh, imagine. No, it's a night that I might forget. Get a burst fade. Wolf cut. Oh, heck no. I think I might actually. Like a mullet type shit. Bro, you know what I need to do? I just need to bring a girl to Thailand with me, right? I just sit back, I trade, she brings me coffee, she makes me food, I'm just trading, I'm working my computer, and then when I need to like tap, then I just go tap, do whatever I need to do, and it's just like having a girl in Thailand would be so much more fun. I've been using Weeble. I used to use Weeble. Weeble's good. Like, bro, just fucking, like, just work on my computer. Coffee, boom. Like, boom. Like, boom. Coffee, boom. It's kind of cold, but I'm not drinking that. Like, boom. Coffee, boom. Girl, boom. Cook for me, boom. When I get a tap, I'll tap. I'm not tapping no ladyboy in Thailand, bro. I'm not tapping no ladyboy in Thailand, bro. Bro, I couldn't. Bro. I'm not doing that shit, bro. Trust. I'm 21. We carry on. I'm perfect. Spare me at home. You're gonna have one hole to choose from. Facts, bro. Nah. I just need me a white girl, bro. What's so wrong about the lady boys, bro? It's completely fine, bro. Now I'm playing. Dude, I'm telling you, the Alpha Future Zero plan is tough, bro. I'm telling you, it's the best in the. It's literally the best, bro. I'm not even kidding. I don't know what PSP is. PSP, I've heard of it. I just never dug too deep into it. I did not enter off a PSP. No. No, because my original stop loss was kind of big. That's why. I don't enter off of a PSP. I use quarterly theory for like time. Just for time. This fair value gap's getting utilized. We might get stopped out, chat. Condolences. I no, I do not trade what UMZ teaches. This is generally the first time I've seen you with the winning trade, bro. Let's go. Thank you, bro. Thank you. I want to see the slow get. I want to see this provide get respected. But we could come down and this is technically we could get stopped out of break even. Could be a chance. If we can inverse this fair value gap, that'd be nice. Barely holding on. Okay, do you have any videos on how to use standard deviation for levels? I have Soap's video of like, I don't know if you guys know who Soap is. But I have his like standard deviation videos. Oh, wrong thing. It's like this. Oh, okay, hold up. This server's cooked, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Where's it at? I ain't giving you a follow. I ain't giving you a check. It's just this, bro. It's nothing special, bro, realistically. No, Mario left that Discord too, bro. I'm pretty sure, bro. Everybody, bro, that whole soap Discord thing, he literally rugged it, bro. He literally rugged it. Bro, I thought that Discord was like, I thought that Discord was gonna be like amazing, bro. But like, bro, that Discord was low key kind of trash. No offense. Like, it was just videos of other people teaching the concept, and it wasn't even him teaching the concept. And I'm like, bro, that is like so like ruggy, bro. Come on, man. Like, come on, man. Let's see. We're almost there. We're halfway there. Soap. Yeah, this is my only trade for the day. Just one and done, chat. Soap. Soap is a guy that was like known for like bottom ticking and top ticking. Really, I do care. Alright, I'm moving my stops to this low. Wait, actually, no, it's not. This is fine. I didn't realize we didn't have any SMT at this low. That low could get taken out again. Had the same entry, bro, but I already got stopped on a profit. That's all good, bro. G, it's all good, G. Like, this is like one of the rare scenarios when price dumps. You got lucky. How? I will shoot my shot right now, but I'm saving for your back later. That's a W pickup line, though. I had to save that one, bro. I'm not gonna lie. All I ever do is get fucked up. Why do you enter on micros for combines? If I do, like, cause I'm able to just if I'm on a combine, I'll just do like either 20 micros, 30 micros, 40 micros, depending on how many contracts I want, right? Because on like the minis, you're kind of like screwed a little bit. You know what I mean? You're able to take more partials. I mean, it's technically the same thing, but just you're able to potentially take more profits, if that makes sense. If you do have like certain TPs and all that shit. 3 minis is fucking crazy. That's why like I'd rather just do like 30 micros and like take like a con and a half off, or like 10 or like 15, or like if you're in 3 minis, I'll do 30 micros, and then like if I take partials, I'll do like a con and a half, like a mini and a half. Yeah, I'm on my yes, I did take it on my funded here also. My funded is kind of down, so I'm trying to bring it back up. That's why I'm like kind of going light on my funded right now. But this is I need to go heavier. I need to go heavier on my funded, bro. I gotta lock in. Bro, quarter theory do go to. I was working 250 on the 3 minis. Yeah, no, that's the best part about quarterly theory. Like I need to learn more about PSP, because PSP definitely makes your entries a little bit better. Or maybe a lot better. I have no idea. I've never done much research on PSP, but I've heard like a small, like I learned a little bit about it. Bro, Potter stocks. Hi, how are you, darling? Yes, this is Nasdaq. $1,000 plate. $1,000 plate. Fine China. Shorty like a. No, I had I trimmed already. I trimmed, and I have 3 contracts left. I believe that we are going to go higher, but very slow throughout the day. Is she a dumb? Did I say that out loud? I'm so crazy about mine. I took it on the funded also. Funded and then evals. All right, but I'm gonna end the stream here. Just call it a day. I'm gonna let this run, and then I'll update you guys. We're back. We're back. We're back. All right, like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and end the stream here. I'm gonna let this run. Try to, like I said, I'm targeting 279 or yeah, 279. So hopefully we can hit it. If not, it's fine. Break even, whatever. But other than that, guys, I'm going to go ahead and stream here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch all of you guys tomorrow.